How to log in to Amazon A to Z Employee. So if you want to log into your Amazon A to Z Employee, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search and then search for Amazon A to Z Employee Login. And after searching, here you will have Amazon A to Z Login. Click on that. So to get started, you need to first enter your Amazon login. So this account is different from the one you use to shop on. So enter your Amazon login code, and once you've entered, click on login. And now you need to enter your password to log into your Amazon A to Z. But if you forgot your password, then you can click on forgot password. And here you need to enter your login code. And after entering your login, you need to click on continue so that you will receive some instructions to the email address linked to your account. But if you remember your password, then simply go back and then enter your login. And after that, you can enter your password. And once you've entered your information correctly, you can click on login. And once you've clicked on login, your account will be logged in. So make sure to enter your information correctly and then click on login and your account will be logged in. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.